Welcome back to the Cakers channel. On this channel, I share cake decorating tutorials and much more. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, and subscribe. I am very open to cake decorating ideas, so remember to tell me in the comment section what you would like to see next, and check out my other social medias to see more of my work. Watch to the end of this video to see me decorate these beautiful vanilla cupcakes for a 13th birthday celebration. You will learn how to use a 1M piping tip in 3 different ways and how to make beautiful fondant cupcake toppers. My cupcake tins are lined with cupcake liners and ready to be filled with my delicious vanilla cake batter. I am using a large spoon to put equal amount of batter into each cupcake liner so that they can rise evenly. These beauties were then placed in a preheated oven to be baked for 15 minutes at 150 degrees Fahrenheit. All baked and ready to be decorated. While my cupcakes are cooling down, I am preparing the cupcake box, and I'll also go ahead and color my buttercream in my desired color. Today I'm using Candy Color by Color Mill, and I'm adding a drop of the Booster color to make the color more vibrant. I am now happy with the color, so I'm in the process of fitting my piping bag with a 1M piping tip, and then I'll go ahead and fill the bag with the buttercream. I repeated the same step with white buttercream, and now I'm ready to start decorating my cupcakes. I am now putting the cupcakes into the cupcake box before I decorate them. This is my preferred method because I don't want to mess up my decorations by transferring a decorated cupcake to the cupcake box. Starting in the center of my cupcake, I'm applying even pressure and make a circular movement to create beautiful rosettes on the top of the cupcakes. I'm now using my white buttercream with the same 1M piping tip to create different patterns on the cupcakes. Now on to the fun part of decorating these beautiful cupcakes. I added a small amount of tile house powder to my fondant. This will help my cupcake toppers to dry harder. I cut 2 beautiful squares, and I'm now using a happy birthday stamp to stamp happy birthday onto the fondant. I will be adding the number 13 to 2 of the circular cupcake toppers. So I'm using this cutter number and letter cutter to cut out a number 1 and a number 3 to put on the cupcakes. This has to be very thin so that it can be easily removed from the cutter. Using an edible metallic gold paint, I'm going over the happy birthday with the paint to make it stand out on the cupcake. The cupcake toppers are all done and are ready to be applied to the top of my cupcakes. I'm starting off with some beautiful foam roses that are food safe, and I'm just playing around with my cupcakes and adding the toppers until I'm satisfied with how they're looking. I am adding a little glitter to the cupcakes with this edible silver luster dust spray, just to finish off the cupcakes and to make them shiny. This is my finished cupcakes. I'm very happy with how they're looking, and my client was super happy when she saw them. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. I hope you've learned a little today about the 1M piping tip. If you're new to the channel, thank you very much for clicking on this video. Please subscribe to the channel for more cake decorating tutorials. Like and share my videos, and remember to leave a comment in the comment section.